Guaranteeing the internal quality of the onion has been our dream for a number of years, and to achieve that's pretty massive. ST Growers is the company, and I'm third generation in the family, and we're cropping in the North Waikato. Dealing with CAILU, the new technology is obviously AI driven, and with different light spectrums we're managing to look inside the onion, which is kind of being the holy grail.
It's like nothing we've seen before in this industry. It's very exciting going forward, and everyone should be getting on board. I'm Adam Cochran. I'm Packhouse Manager here at ST Growers. We're based here in Tuakau, just outside of the unofficial onion capital of New Zealand, Pukekohe, and we grow our onions in Pukekohe here and throughout the northern Waikato as well. We grow brown and red onion and export that throughout Europe and Asia. It's a very short window into Europe, so our systems and our procedures need to be top-notch, because if you miss your window, then you miss out. We've experienced a dramatic improvement in our efficiency with CAILU. Previously, if we've had a line of onions that had a particular disease or a rot or pipers, for example, we would have to slow down our in-feed of onions and our flow so our human graders could keep up and extract all of those problem bulbs. With CAILU, you don't have to compromise on speed. You can keep running at your optimum speed and CAILU will do the job.
We're going into the 2026 season with no staff grading on the grader, so we're very excited about achieving that. In dollar terms, for us in a season, that's probably equating to about $250,000 in labour savings. So I'd estimate that we're probably between $25 and $30 a tonne in labour savings compared to our other operations, which is really significant.
Results happen from day one. We saw immediate change in dropping our labour unit numbers and putting responsibility on CAILU to do the job and grade the onions to a pretty high standard.
We really want to mitigate a lot of the claims that are prevalent from internal problems with onions, because we export to the other side of the world. Our freight component is massive, so having that internal ability to look inside the onion is bigger gain to the company, monetary wise, than just the labour saving.
Yeah, we've noticed our claims are less grading with CAILU. It's taken out a lot of things that the human eye probably can't see. So going forward in the future, a massive benefit to us in that regard. We can grade any onion to any size. Like if a customer requires a particular size, he might want a 60 to 63 mil sized onion for a specific purpose in his market, and with CAILU we can do that, and even a smaller band if we can. Everything's adjustable on the go. We can change our sizing and our pack rates on the go, and it's very simple.
We've got some French customers that are very specific about their size, so they're packing 3 onions in a sock, and we've managed to mitigate a lot of the giveaway because we're basically minimising the overpack by sizing very accurately.
It doesn't miss a beat, to be honest. We're extremely happy with the results, and it'll go all day without issue. We do 12-hour days here during the season, and CAILU just doesn't miss a beat.
The fact that they're willing to bring new technology to the field, we're always already looking at lasers and other technology that's becoming available. So I think this is going to be a fantastic partnership, and we look forward to working with them in the future.
Yeah, the team at CAILU have been great. They're really invested in what we do, not just grading and packing onions, but right back to planting, harvesting, storage of onions. They're fully invested in knowing how our operation works.